All right, so today I'm with a wonderful patient and I'm going to show you something really, really cool. Check this out. This was the refraction in the right eye and in the left eye. And we performed a procedure to make it, that's her right eye. So I'll show it to you again. That was before, this is now. And her left eye was here, and this is her left eye now. So how did we do this? We did a procedure. I'm going to show you what's inside her eye. Okay, so let's bring this forward. So this is the right eye, and I'm going to zoom in a bit. You can see the ICL EVO right there. This is a lens implant we put in the eye. So this is the one in the right eye. And here is the left eye. Turn this way. Right there. And so the right eye had the maximum correction available in the United States, and the left eye also had the max correction available in the United States, but we knew you'd have some leftover myopia in the left eye, just a tiny bit, but that's your non-dominant eye, and then you would be right on target with your right eye. And so you are seeing 20/20 right now in your right eye, and your distance vision is about between 20/50 and 20/60 in your left eye. So first of all, tell me about how life has changed for you.
Well, obviously life has been like a lot better. I wake up and I see clearly, which is not something I've seen in like over 20 years. So that's amazing. That's life changing for me.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And then of course, having eye surgery is nerve-wracking. You know, you have it and you know, you just got a tablet basically to try to calm the nerves down, but you didn't get an IV or anything like that. How was the surgery for you? What did you think about the surgery overall? Was it harder than you expected, as what you expected, easier than you expected? What's your personal experience with it?
It was like very quick. Like I felt like I went in there and then I came out in like 10 minutes, even though it was longer, but it felt like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So it was quick and easy.
Yeah. Okay. That's awesome. And then did your eyes hurt for some time afterwards?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
Yeah. I saw like almost 20/20 immediately, which was amazing.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So it's only been a couple weeks. And so I want to get to know about some of the things that you're noticing in your vision. So one of the things is, quality of vision, day versus night. So what would you say about the quality of vision during the day?
The day is like kind of like when I had contacts, like basically 20/20 at night. Actually, even better with the lenses now that I have with contacts, because I used RGP before, so like the lenses was a lot smaller than my pupil, so I could kind of see like a glare at nighttime, but now it's like a lot less.
Okay, very cool. And then as you heal, are you noticing still some glare at night sometimes?
Just a little bit, but there is a little bit of glare. Yeah.
Okay. Are you noticing some improvement as you're healing, or has it been pretty steady over the past couple weeks?
It's been pretty steady.
Okay, so pretty steady. So what I want to do is I want to check to see here. I'm going to take a light. I'm going to turn off the lights in the room and cover first your left eye. Okay, so this is trying to mimic a headlight, and you can blink normally. And then tell me, are you noticing a lot of glare with it? Do you notice any halos or starbursts from it?
Yeah.
What do you notice? Which one?
Yeah, a glare, but it's like not even. It's more a little bit like on this side.
On that side, okay.
Yeah.
And then how about your other eye? Is this one? This is the one that's a little nearsighted. So
yeah, similar, but there's less halo, but more of like a glare of the light.
Okay.
And it's more like this.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So you notice a little bit of glare. Okay. Fantastic. And so very, very good. Thank you so much for your feedback. And then so now, of course, anytime you have this procedure, we need to dilate your eyes. We need to check in the retina to make sure the retina is okay. So that's what we're going to do now.
Thank you, Dr. Krad.
All right. You're welcome. Thanks. Bye, guys.